Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking on how to set up direct deposit with PNC Bank. How to set up direct deposit with PNC Bank. To set up direct deposit with PNC Bank, you will need your bank account and routing numbers. You can find these numbers on a check or by logging into your online banking account. Log into your PNC online banking account. From the menu, select Account and then Account Summary. Click on the account you want to use for direct deposit. Under the Account Details tab, you will find your routing and account numbers. Alternatively, you can find the numbers on a check. Your routing number is the 9-digit number on the bottom left. Your account number is the series of numbers to the right of the routing number. Once you have your routing and account numbers, you will need to provide them to your employer or the organization making the payment. They will likely have a direct deposit enrollment form for you to fill out. On the form, you will need to provide your name, your bank name, PNC Bank, your PNC account number, your PNC routing number, the type of account, checking or savings, the amount or percentage of your pay you want to be directly deposited. Submit the completed form to your employer's payroll department. It may take 1 or 2 pay cycles for the direct deposit to take effect. You can confirm your direct deposit is active by checking your PNC account statements or logging into your online banking account to see if the funds have been deposited. With that said, thanks for watching.